Yeah, I have them.
Yeah, no questions, right? It's clear now. So today what we will do is we will create one new project. So on the new project we will do uh, table layout. So that how it will work, that we will see here now. So let's create one new project here. MDVS activity. So then that is a table. So I have created the project name called as a table. So the table means normally we will align the content here like rows and columns, right? Rows and columns where we will assign the content. So now we will create here 3 to 4 different rows with some data. Then we will see how the table alignments will be here, how we need to do that. But normally what happens here, the table layout, majority of the cases that we will use as an inner layout, like child layout. Yesterday we used within a linear layout, we use the child layout, right? Like that, we will use that. So here, that similar way, here we will create that. Now, for this, like here, default it is created as a constant layout, right? So this constant layout, now we will replace with linear layout. So within a linear layout, I'll do that. So that is like here now how it will work means in this now we have to create another layout, right? So that another layout we will create. So like that we will create here. So now here this orientation I'll give you for this orientation. Orientation has vertical, right? So for this, as of now, we not used any text view, but I want to use this text view now. So this text view here, instead of this, now I'll put this as something called student data. So the text view I'll give as a student data, right? So below that, I'll create a next thing that is here now, table layout. So first I'll create a table layout. So match parent, wrap content, and so first initially I'll give only two properties for this table layout, right? Within a this now we have to create a these things like here now the table, like table means we have to create a next step. So that is table row. Within a row we can arrange the column. So table row. So this table row is also having height and width. So I created the height and width for the table. Now within this table row, now we will align the component content data. So within this, now I create a text. So first this one I'll give as a serial number, student name, student mobile, student mobile, student email. Like this with 4 fields, we will create the data here like this. Right. Now, like this, now I need multiple rows, right? So that's why just I'll copy this entire row. I'll paste here multiple times. Right. We will modify the data one by one here. Now. So we'll start with the second row. So this is the first row. From here it is the second row. Now here I'm giving this is the one. Right. So I'm giving the person name as AAA. So mobile number, I'm giving some random data. @gmail.com. So then this will be here too. So BBBB. So like this. Then here @gmail.com. So it is the 3 CCC. So here now I'll give some random this thing, and here now I'll give ccc@gmail.com. Just one. వచ్చారా? Okay, okay, sorry. Uh, Sanjay, just will continue this later because just now before that they not joined. Just they joined. We will continue after this. Okay. I'll text you after the client.
Yes.